Welcome to the world of Genspark AI, where innovation meets intelligence. Let's explore how this powerful tool can transform your digital experience. Dive into the capabilities of the Genspark Super Agent, a versatile platform designed to assist you in various tasks, from research to content creation. With Genspark Super Agent, you can effortlessly create presentations on complex topics, such as the theory of constraints, tailored for online marketing. Embark on your presentation journey with Genspark, where you can customize and refine your content to suit your audience's needs. Genspark allows you to refine your presentation content, ensuring clarity and precision in conveying your message effectively. Utilize Genspark's tools to gather comprehensive information, ensuring your presentation is both informative and engaging. Organize your presentation structure with Genspark, using its intuitive interface to streamline your content for maximum impact. Prepare your presentation with Genspark, leveraging its advanced features to create a compelling narrative that resonates with your audience. Explore the application of the theory of constraints in online information and expertise marketing, a crucial concept for optimizing your strategies. Learn how to implement the theory of constraints in your marketing efforts, enhancing efficiency and driving success in your campaigns. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below.